Wachako kanyo gi wechego mago mabende timore e kaunti mano ma Kisumu kae. Kanyo ni migao mano mabende ok en mano mar piny owacho, Parkinson's Support Group Kisumu ka gitudore kod Jaramogi Oginga Odinga University of Science and Technology ne obago chenro mano mar tiegruok ne jochiw sir ne jogo mabende odak kod tuo mar Parkinson's no. Bende ne giwacho ni ber ka oganda ma odak kod tuo makamano oyudo sir mano makare, mana kaka ileronwa kod jafwambo marwa Justus Adoyo.
Migao moro mok mar piny owacho mabende ong'ere kaka Kisumu County Parkinson Support Group gikone koro ne otayo chenro moro mar tiego jogo eko mabende rito jolweny go eko magero mar Parkinson. Puonj nero mabende ne obagi kod ka tiegruok nero mar Jaramogi Oginga University of Science and Technology. Kendo nochiwo puonj ne jogo eko mabende rito jotuo go eko kaka ginyalo rito jotuo mag Parkinson e pacho kae ni mangima. Mikai Dorothy Nyong'o en ogae noero mar Parkinson Support Group Kisumu County.
And the training for caregivers is so important because caregivers get overwhelmed. They have all kinds of questions. They don't understand Parkinson's disease. And each patient has very distinct, features or reactions or, conditions. So caregivers are really challenged in trying to understand what's going on, what's the right time to give medication, how to support the patient, but also caregivers have to take care of themselves.
Bende Mikai Dorothy Nyong'o thuolo maket kod maendi chiwero kamano ne Jaramogi Oginga Odinga University of Science and Technology kuom paro maket kod maendi.
We really appreciate it because it's a very neglected area. Lots of people do not understand Parkinson's, and so even able to diagnose it at the health facilities or in the community is a key point. And so just taking this up, I just want to celebrate them.
Korka kor gi Jaramogi Oginga Odinga University of Science and Technology noero bende nonyiso chia margi kendo nyiso dwaro mar kendo duto siro kendo puonjo jogo eko masiro oganda mantie kod tuo niere mar Parkinson. Mana kaka ileronwa kod Laktar Dickens Omondi kanyakla koda Migosi Elijah Ateka maduto wuok Jaramogi kono.
We observed from our study that Parkinson's disease is not much known and there's a very low awareness generally. Most studies are reporting about 1% in their as the prevalence of this disease. But in our study, we found that in the places where we did this study, people over 60, majority of them, 10% of them had Parkinson's disease. In Senegal, where we also study, the prevalence is 11.2%. So it is a common disease, and we are likely to see it more as people age because it's a disease that's more common in older age.
The most important thing is psychological support that these people need, but there is also physical training on how to handle patients, especially those who cannot walk, and so how to support them physically, but how to support them mentally as well. The caregivers require the mental support as well, and there are a few exercises that the caregivers need to do to be able to be physically supportive to the patients.
Kadhok maket kod maendi bende nosir machiegni kod jatend migao mochung' ne weche mag thieth Kisumu County mano Laktar Gregory Ganda.
Sometimes when these things happen, you might be the only person in the village who has gotten Parkinson's. And so there you are taking care of a condition that you have never seen or never had, and you are seeing it for the first time. So this is what this does. It capacity builds them, it prepares them to be better caregivers for their people.
Mbre chenro Parkinson Support Group Kisumu kocha mano Mikai Irene Obuya to nonyiso mana mor mare kendo gwero kamano ne migepe go eko kuom ne biro kanyakla kendo tiego jogo eko machiwo sir ne jotuo eko mag Parkinson.
So today I'm very grateful because we had a partnership with the Jaramogi Oginga Odinga University of Science and Technology. We also partnered with County Government of Kisumu and Parkinson Support Group of Kenya, so that this training is done to our caregivers. I'm very grateful and I'm so happy that from the training that has been conducted today, our caregivers have taken points and notes over the key issues or how to take care of their PD warriors back at home.
Bende gisingo ka girwako migepe mamoko ni maendi en chenro ma bende gibiro dhi go nyime kinde ndalo duto. Ne Kala TV kuoke Kisumu County and Justus Adoyo.